In this video I will show you how to restore or recover deleted contact numbers from Google or Gmail account easily. Sign in your Gmail account. Go to 9.option and open Google Contact app. See here showing only 28 contact, but I have many more contact I deleted some days ago. Let's see how to recover. Now go to trash folder. See here my deleted contact. Select your contact you want to recover. I select all of my contact. Now click recover button. See all contact recovered successfully. How to export contact. Click export button to export contact. See contact now exported. How to import contact. Click import button to import contact, then select contact file you want to import. See all contact imported. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.